Hello all, my name is Gargi Singh Tomar. Today I got an opportunity to speak about Babasaheb Ambedkar on his birth anniversary. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 at Mahoo, Madhya Pradesh, India. His father was Ramji Maloji Sakpal, who was an army officer in the British Indian Army. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the 14th son of his father. Bhimabai Sakpal was his mother. His family was of Marathi background from the town of Ambavade. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born as a Dalit and he was treated as an untouchable. He was subjected to regular social and economic discrimination, although Babasaheb attended school. He and other Dalit students were treated as untouchables. They were separated from another group of students from other caste and were not given attention by the teachers. They were even not allowed to drink water on their own. Babasaheb used to drink water with the help of the peon, as he and other Dalit students were not allowed to touch anything. His father retired in 1894 and his mother passed away 2 years after they moved to Satara. Of all his brothers and sisters, Babasaheb was the only one who passed his examination and went to high school. Later in his high school, his Brahmin school teacher changed his surname to his own surname Ambedkar in school records. In 1897, Babasaheb became the only untouchable to get enrolled at the Elphinstone High School. In 1906, Babasaheb, who was 15 years old, married a 9-year-old girl named Ramabai. In 1912, he obtained his degree in political science and economics from Bombay University and was employed by the Baroda state government. In 1913, Babasaheb moved to the United States as he was awarded a scholarship for 3 years by Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III. The scholarship was designed to provide opportunities for postgraduate education at Columbia University, New York. In 1950, he majored in economics, sociology, history, philosophy, and anthropology. In 1917, he completed his master's degree, and in 1923, he completed a DSc in economics, which was awarded by the University of London. In Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics, he became a political science professor, but he decided to continue his further studies and went to England. He completed his PhD degree in the 1927 in economics and was awarded a doctorate by the University of Columbia in the same year. Babasaheb had founded the Depressed Classes Federation in 1930. In 1935, Babasaheb was appointed principal of the Government Law College, Bombay, a position he held for 2 years. In the same year, Babasaheb's wife, Ramabai, died due to chronic illness. Babasaheb has total 35,000 books with him. In 1936, Babasaheb founded the Independent Labour Party, which contested the 1937 Bombay election to the Central Legislative Assembly for the 13 reserved and 4 general seats, and secured 11 reserved and 3 general seats respectively. Babasaheb published his book Annihilation of Caste on 15th May 1936. It strongly criticized Hindu orthodox religious leaders and the caste system in general and included a rebuke of Gandhiji on the subject. After the Lahore Resolution 1940 of the Muslim League demanding Pakistan, Babasaheb wrote a 400-page tract titled Thoughts on Pakistan, which analyzed the concept of Pakistan in all its aspects. Babasaheb argued that the Hindus should concede Pakistan to Muslims. Babasaheb was ultimately included as the Law Minister of India in the first Nehru ministry after Gandhiji recommended his name to Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1948, Babasaheb remarried to Savita, as popularly people used to call her Mai. Babasaheb contested in the Bombay North First Indian General Elections of 1952 but lost to his former assistant and Congress party candidate Narayan Kajolkar. Babasaheb became a member of Rajya Sabha, probably an appointed member. Babasaheb also criticized Islamic practice in South Asia. Around 1950, he began devoting his attention to Buddhism and traveled to Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, to attend a meeting of the World Fellowship of Buddhists. In 1955, he founded the Buddhist Society of India. In 1956, he completed his work, The Buddha and His Dham. Babasaheb was involved in campaigning and negotiation of India's independence. After independence, he became the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Babasaheb played a key role in the formation of RBI in 1935. He was the first Indian to earn a PhD degree outside the India. On August 1947, passing one resolution, the Constituent Assembly appointed a drafting committee with the 7 members, including Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, for preparing a draft of the Constitution. Baba Saheb died suffering from diabetes on 6 December 1956 at Delhi. In 1990, the Bharat Ratna Award was conferred to Baba Saheb. The salutation Jai Bhim, used by followers, honors him. The Constitution of B.R. Ambedkar in Indian democracy is not to be forgotten. As the chairman of the Constitutional Committee, he gave a shape to our country of a complete sovereign, democratic and republic based on adult franchise. Indeed, he deserved to be called the father or the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. As a goal, the freedom and fundamental rights that we have got today are all due to Baba Saheb, and I am indebted to him. I would like to conclude my speech with this quote: संविधान केवल वकीलों का दस्तावेज नहीं है, बल्कि यह जीवन जीने का माध्यम है. Thank you.